Hi, and welcome to this video workshop series on building reporting extensions for Oracle E-Business Suite using CS Report for non-developers. So in this first session, we're simply going to introduce to you all of the topics that we'll be covering throughout this workshop series. The next session, we're going to build a solution and add conditional formatting to it. Then we'll build several solutions showcasing some of the different window styles that are available in CS Report. We're then going to look at creating drill downs. After this, we're going to look at how we add inline Excel reporting capabilities, followed by how we add independent Excel reporting capabilities. We're then going to look at something called the pre-compute directive, which is a performance feature. We're going to look at projects and solution groups within CS Report. After this, we're going to look at default values, validation rules, and list of values, what they all are, and how we add them to our solutions. We're then going to talk about query values, how we add tooltips, dynamic labels. After this, we're going to be covering conditional access and conditional visibility. Then we're going to talk about and demonstrate some of the data formatting options that are available to you. So how you go about formatting numeric data, string-based data, or date-based data. Then we're going to talk about and demonstrate how we use the attribute library, which can greatly save time when building multiple solutions. We're going to look at auto query. We're going to look at something called the worksheet query mode. We're going to look at some of the different window positions, and also look at some of the different visual styling options that are available to us, particularly as it relates to our screen-based reports. We're then going to be looking at the built-in version control, and finally we're going to finish up by looking at the direct deployment option. So hopefully I'll see you in session 2, where we're going to build a solution and apply to it some conditional formatting. Thank you.